Every year, plant breeders release new perennial cultivars that promise stronger growth, better color, and improved performance in the garden. Many of these plants have been carefully tested for years before finally reaching garden centers. In this video, we're looking at 7 brand new perennial cultivars for 2026 that gardeners will soon start discovering. Number 1. Delphinium Violets Are Blue. Delphinium Violets Are Blue is a striking new cultivar that brings a fresh twist to one of the most classic cottage garden perennials. Tall flower spikes rise above lush green foliage, carrying a mix of violet and blue tones with a contrasting white center known as the bee. The result is a plant that instantly adds height, color, and elegance to the garden. What makes this newer delphinium especially exciting is its improved garden performance. Compared to older varieties, it offers stronger stems and a more reliable flowering display, helping reduce the flopping issues that gardeners sometimes experience with traditional delphiniums. With proper sun and well-drained soil, it creates a dramatic early summer show. In the landscape, Violets Are Blue works beautifully toward the back of perennial borders, where its tall flower spikes can rise above surrounding plants. Combined with roses, salvias, or ornamental grasses, it helps create a layered garden that feels both structured and vibrant. Number 2. Dicentra Hearts on Fire. Dicentra Hearts on Fire is a bold new bleeding heart cultivar that stands out immediately thanks to its rich red flowers. The heart-shaped blooms hang gracefully from arching stems, creating the romantic look gardeners love in spring shade gardens. Its dramatic color makes it one of the most eye-catching new introductions for early season planting. Beyond its beauty, this plant also brings improved foliage color and contrast. The stems are darker, which highlights the bright flowers even more and gives the plant a modern, ornamental quality. Like other bleeding hearts, it thrives in cooler spring conditions and prefers partial shade with consistently moist soil. In the landscape, Hearts on Fire is perfect for planting near entryways, along shaded pathways, or in foundation beds where spring color is needed. It pairs well with hostas, ferns, and heuchera, helping build a layered shade garden that looks lush and welcoming. Number 3. Echinacea Knock Red. Echinacea Knock Red introduces a bold new shade of red to the coneflower family. Large daisy-like blooms appear in deep crimson tones that gradually brighten as the flowers mature. With sturdy stems and a strong, upright habit, it delivers the classic coneflower look, but with a much more dramatic color palette. Like many modern Echinacea cultivars, this plant has been bred for improved durability and garden performance. It thrives in full sun, tolerates heat and drought once established, and continues blooming throughout summer while attracting bees and butterflies. Its long flowering period makes it a dependable centerpiece in pollinator-friendly gardens. In the landscape, Knock Red fits perfectly in the middle of sunny borders where its rich color can anchor surrounding plants. Paired with ornamental grasses, salvias, or catmint, it helps create a vibrant and resilient perennial planting that remains lively for months. Number 4. Echinacea Coral Cranberry. Echinacea Coral Cranberry is another exciting new coneflower cultivar bringing warm coral tones to summer borders. Its large daisy-like blooms feature rich coral pink petals surrounding a prominent central cone, creating a vibrant display that immediately brightens sunny gardens. The color shifts slightly as the flowers mature, adding depth and visual interest throughout the season. This newer cultivar was bred for improved garden performance, with strong stems that hold the flowers upright even during windy or rainy weather. Like many coneflowers, it thrives in full sun and tolerates drought once established, making it an easy-care perennial that fits well into low-maintenance gardens. In the landscape, coral cranberry works beautifully in the middle of sunny borders where its warm tones can contrast with cooler colors, like purple salvia or blue catmint. It also attracts bees and butterflies, helping turn the garden into a lively pollinator space throughout the summer. Number 5. Epimedium Hugs and Kisses. Epimedium Hugs and Kisses is a charming shade perennial that brings delicate beauty to woodland-style gardens. In spring, clusters of small pink bicolor flowers hover above tidy mounds of foliage, creating a soft and elegant display. While the blooms are subtle, they add a refined texture that works wonderfully in shaded landscapes. One of the biggest advantages of Epimedium is its durability. It tolerates dry shade better than many other perennials and requires very little maintenance once established, making it an easy-care perennial that fits well into low-maintenance gardens. In the landscape, Hugs and Kisses works best toward the front of shade borders or as a ground cover beneath taller plants. Combined with ferns, hostas, or heuchera, it helps create a layered shade garden that looks natural and full. Number 6. Epimedium Woodland Elf. Epimedium Woodland Elf is another new introduction designed to brighten shaded spaces. Its soft yellow flowers appear in spring on slender stems that rise just above the foliage, creating a light and airy effect. Though small in scale, the blooms bring a delicate sparkle to woodland gardens. Like other Epimedium varieties, this plant is incredibly resilient. It thrives in partial to full shade and adapts well to dry soil once established, making it an excellent low-effort choice for difficult planting areas. Its foliage also remains attractive throughout the growing season. In the landscape, Woodland Elf works beautifully along shaded pathways or beneath trees where its gentle blooms can be appreciated up close. It pairs nicely with spring bulbs and shade-loving perennials, helping extend seasonal interest in the garden. Number 7. Helopsis Athena Gold. Helopsis Athena Gold is a bright and cheerful perennial that brings sunny color to summer gardens. Its golden yellow flowers resemble miniature sunflowers, standing proudly above sturdy green foliage. It creates a vibrant presence that instantly energizes borders and pollinator gardens. This cultivar is valued for its toughness and reliability. It thrives in full sun, tolerates heat and drought, and produces a long season of blooms with very little care. The strong stems help keep the plant upright even during heavy flowering periods. In the landscape, Athena Gold fits well in the middle or back of sunny borders, where its warm color can anchor surrounding plants. Paired with coneflowers, salvias, or ornamental grasses, it helps build a lively planting that remains attractive through the height of summer. New perennial cultivars like these show how plant breeding continues to improve the gardens we grow. With stronger growth, richer colors, and better performance, these introductions offer exciting possibilities for gardeners looking to try something new. If you enjoyed discovering these upcoming plants, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me which new perennial you're most excited to grow.